All right, so we're over here at Agency. As you saw, we took some cool pictures of some really cool stuff. Agency never lets us down. But a shout out to John and Lisa. These are the ones that make these guns stick in your hands and absolutely bite. This is pure talent. When you look at these things, you don't think that a person did this. This looks like a machine did it, but it's not. This is all hand stippled and hand done, like two masters in this craft. Chef's kiss to you guys. This is absolutely brilliant. Nice job, Agency. Those of us that want to go full stormtrooper, right?
Never go full stormtrooper.
Never go full stormtrooper. Well, you always miss. Yeah, I mean, what's the point? You won't miss with this. If a stormtrooper had this, you're not missing.
I mean, I like it. The window's huge, so no matter what you do, there's a dot right there. And even if you bring it up off, you know you locate it somewhere in that window, and you can make that correction really easy.